Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It's Jennifer Woolsey. I hope you're doing great. We are going to do a makeup tutorial this morning and get our day started. So let's hop right in. I've already done my morning skincare regimen. You know, I'm using that vitamin C serum to help fill in those fine lines and wrinkles and firm that skin up and give me a little bit of a glow. My Belif Aqua Bomb for the added moisture and balancing of my pH levels. Really not any anti-aging in it, just a lot of good stuff for healthy skin, which we all need, a little bit of healthy skin, right? Then Depuffing eye serum to depuff those bags. And my Belif Eye Balm, bam, it's gonna firm and tighten that skin around your eyes and help take away that crepiness, which I need. Okay, let's pull our hair back and then we will get to business. This hair, it is growing. Woo! I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. Oh, that's kind of funky. That's all right. Let's do this. So let's hop in with our primer. We're gonna prime with our Lumilayer VDL and get that base put in place for our foundation. It's also going to fill in those lines and wrinkles, but also gives us a little bit of a glow on that face. We all need a little bit of glow. So I wanted to chat this morning with you guys about who influences you. So is there some people in your life that you think like are big influences to you and makes an impact on your life? I know for me, my mom was one who was a big influence in my life, and she was a single mom. I was raised with my two sisters. Cashmere Complexion, we are going to use shade Buttercream this morning. Woohoo, a little buttercream in your life. I'm fasting, so Buttercream sounds amazing right now. But anyway, I was reading an article, and it was actually I'm reading a book by John Maxwell. I think it's the Top Leadership Skills. I don't remember the title. I should have had that for you. I'll post that in the comments when I get done. Anyway, he talks about how you are influenced most by the 5 people that you spend the most time with. And I was like, wow. So if you are working on goals and dreams in your life and you feel like you're kind of depleted, it could have something to do with the people that you're letting speak into your life. And I was like, well, that's kind of crazy, because now that I think about it, I'm always the one lifting up. This was some time ago when I realized this, that I was the one that was always lifting the people around me up. And so I made a conscious decision, this was several years ago, to make sure that I was surrounding myself with positive people with ambition, and people that had desires and dreams like I did, and let them be the ones, you know, that spoke truth into my life. Okay, so I think we've got a good base here. I am pulling this down on my neck a little bit because my shirt today is a little bit lower than what I typically wear. So I did get a little bit of sun though, so woohoo. So when you think about the 5 people that you spend the most time with, we're going to use some Cashmere Complexion and shade Matcha on these eyes. Are they positive? Are they people that think like you do and encourage you to think outside the box maybe? I think too it's important that we surround ourselves with people that challenge our thoughts, challenge us to be better people. Oh, we are all kinds of concealed up today. It's like I am concealed. So I was also thinking about how we're going to use the tattoo station. Hi guys, welcome in. Tell me who influences you, who has a positive impact on your life. And I was also thinking as I was reading this in the John Maxwell book that, you know, it's not only the people that we surround ourselves with, but it could also be the information that we take in. So recently, a very well-known author, motivational speaker that I follow, and I drink the Kool-Aid. I was really, you know, all in on her teachings and all of this, and she's gone through a life change, and that's fine. You know, things happen in life, and you can't ever judge where someone else is. I mean, it's truth. You never know what's really happening behind the scenes in someone's life. I mean, even your friends aren't telling you the whole story. You're getting their perspective of the story. So anyway, she's gone through a life change, and I first found myself disappointed, and I was like, you know, this person is a real person, and you know, she's dealing with her own battles. It's not your battle. And so I had to really check myself in, you know, what information I was taking in, and who I was letting influence my thoughts and my beliefs, and making sure that I was grounded. Hold on, we dropped the thing. But making sure that, you know, I am surrounding myself with people and information that aligns with my morals and my values. And so it was just kind of like an eye-opening experience for me. We're going to use some Magix Dust Setting Powder. We're not baking today. We don't have time. It's delivery day. So I've got to get out there. I just put it in my cap. Swirl that around. So I intentionally made myself a list of people that impact me positively, that I enjoy being around. They lift me up. They challenge me. You know, if you're the most successful person in your list of 5, then chances are there's not going to be anybody that's going to push you to do the things that you aspire to do for your life. So maybe when you're looking for those people that surround you, you make sure that they're people that are maybe doing things that you want to do, or accomplishing goals that you want to accomplish. We're going to go with our Mono Pop this morning in browns. Woo woo. But people that have goals like you do. All right, we're going to use this one and this one right here. We're going to get in there this morning. Going to get in there on that eye. But, you know, I mean, I think it could be celebrities. I think it could be maybe authors or motivational speakers that you watch. Just be careful to not let them, don't take their thought processes on. Make sure you have your own thought processes, and that they're grounded in something that you know is factual. So for me, in my religion, I know that my Bible is a fact. And so I'm trying to be more accurate in making sure that my belief system is balanced there. And the people that I surround myself with will hold me to those values and morals. There we go. Woo! That is pretty. I also have, you know, goals and dreams for my business. And so when I'm talking with business friends and professionals, I tend to want to associate myself with people that have like-minded goals, that are working towards something, not just happy in status quo. And if you're happy in status quo, that's great. Surround yourself with people in that same situation. But I really think it's important. Okay, we're going to have to go up a little bit on this eye. I really think, you know, just from what I'm reading, and John Maxwell is a great author. If you've never read any of his work, he has got some amazing books. We went in with a little bit of a gold there, kind of highlight this olive color that we're wearing today. But if you've never read any of John Maxwell's books, he is an amazing author. And he really is good about, I'm going to go back in. I'm going to balance this eye out here just a little bit. We need to balance it just a little bit. But he is great about stepping on my toes, calling me out in things that I'm doing in my life that I didn't even realize I was doing until I cracked that book open. And so, you know, I just think it's important that we are learning and that we are forming our opinions. SuperExtend liquid liner. that we are forming our opinions on our morals and our values. That is so pretty this morning. I love that eye look. What do you think? So as I was rereading that chapter last night, I was reminded of my mother in my head. If you lay with dogs, you're going to get fleas. That's something she used to tell me all the time. So if you are surrounding yourself with people and influencers who have negative thoughts and that aren't pushing themselves to do better in life and don't have goals and dreams, then you're probably going to end up with fleas, right? Nobody wants fleas. You can't get rid of them. Okay, I think we're rocking this eye look. Hey, I'm influencing myself this morning. I'm giving myself kudos. I'm doing something right. So, I don't know. Maybe not something that's interesting to you, but it was something that was interesting to me when I was really thinking about who speaks into my life, who is an influence. And I think, too, it kind of breaks down into different perspectives as far as different things that you're going through in your life as a special needs mom. There are a couple of other special needs moms that really speak into my life that are examples to me. Using some Love mascara on these lashes. And they've kind of been on this road longer than I have. And so I really look up to them and their advocacy for their kids and the things that they are doing to change the world for people with disabilities. And so, I follow them and I have communication with them and I let them be an influence in my life. Same in my business when I'm talking with other like-minded business people. Hi, Donna, how are you? Who are the 5 people in your life that influence you the most? That's what we're talking about this morning. John Maxwell's book, I think it's 21 Laws of Leadership. He talks about you are the sum of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. And so who are you letting speak into your life? Who are some of those people? So I was talking about different categories. So like my special needs moms, I have some friends that I am close to. Same with my AVON business. I have some fellow leaders that are at my level or above that I am close to. And we push each other. We challenge each other. I also recently got connected with a coach. And so I'm doing some coaching for my business. And oh my gosh, it has pushed me. Yesterday was a hard call. She pushed me way out of my comfort zone. And I was like, oh girl, are you ready for this? Are you ready to be pushed? Guess so. I signed up for it. Moisture Cushion Blush in color pink. We're going to add a little pink. Maybe we should do coral. What do you think? To go with these brown and gold eyes, should we do pink or coral? I enjoy when we talk. Me too. See, you're one of those like business people that push me because Cindy is like one of those people that is going to knock things out. She is on fire. And so it doesn't necessarily have to be someone in your same business. It could be somebody in the like industry that's challenging themselves to grow. So it always helps. Okay, which one? I think we're going to go with coral. Y'all aren't giving me any answers this morning. Oh, I lost my... I feel like I'm dropping everything this morning. I lost my Ruby Cell Puff. That's okay. We'll use it from the pink. Gosh. Okay, here we go. I think coral's going to go better with the browns. Oh, I love that coral. It almost looks like a watercolor. It's so pretty. But you know, a lot of times our family are some of our biggest influencers, especially growing up. You know, you spend the most time with your family, and so they're a lot of times your biggest influencers. And it doesn't mean they're always the most positive influencers, but a lot of times they are an influencer. You guys, look at this hair. I cannot believe how long it has gotten. It is crazy. This top is new. I think I could have gone down a size. I think my intermittent fasting is working. Yay. Okay. Let's put some color on. We're going to go with Tenacious. We're feeling Tenacious today. So my point to this whole conversation is make sure that the people that you surround yourself with are positive influences, that they are speaking truth and life into you, that they have the same moral values and the same belief system that you do. Not that you can't have friends of other beliefs, you know, that's totally fine. But just make sure that if you're letting them have an opinion on your life, that there's someone that has their same values aligned with you. Okay, let's do this. I love that color. Woo! It is gold. Let's put a little gold shimmer shimmer on it. A little gold shimmer shimmer. Just kind of tones it down a little bit. That is a pretty color. Okay, so be conscious of who you let speak into your life. Make sure that you are being intentional with the people that you surround yourself with. And hey, check out that John Maxwell's, it's 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership. It's a great book. It's really good to help you raise your level if you're going for something bigger in your life. And he speaks great things. So be careful what you watch. Be careful who you let speak into your life. And be good. Have a great day. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for getting ready with me. Bye-bye.